This is how we can see blocked numbers on your Android phone. So if you're new here or first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. So we open up the phone app where we have the regular dial pad where we can, type in phone numbers. We have the recent section and so on. But within the phone app, in the top right, there is the three dots, which we can tap on and proceed to the settings of specifically the phone app. So we can get there. And the first option for me is block numbers. So I'm going to click there. And this is the section where I decide whether the blocking calls from unknown numbers is active or not. But below, you can see the section for blocking specific numbers. So in here, you can add a phone number which you want to block like this. You can click the plus button, right? And below are all of the other button like numbers which you have blocked before. So you can see this is essentially the list of all of the blocked numbers on the Android phone. So as you can see, those numbers I added to the blocked list. And if you want to remove them from the blocked list, click the minus icon like this, and the number is now going to be active and they can call you. But this is essentially the place which you are looking for. Here is going to be the list of all of the numbers you have blocked in the past. And this is where you can manage it, add more or remove numbers from this list. So let me know in the comments below if you manage to make that work. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this, and I'll see you later.